Lexile measure. You might be asking yourself, what exactly is a Lexile? We're going to be using that term a lot in this class, so I want to make sure you understand it. A Lexile serves several functions. Primarily, it's used to measure text complexity, but it also lets you know what level text you're able to read as a reader. It can match text to reader, and finally, it can show growth in reading. We're going to take some time and look a little bit more deeply at each of these things. First of all, text complexity. Text can be simple or complex. For example, a simple sentence might be, they walked back to the farm. Pretty easy to comprehend. Whereas a more complex sentence would be, Maddie Silver had lived under Ethan's roof for a year, and from early morning till they met at supper, he had frequent chances of seeing her. But no moments in her company were comparable to those when, her arm in his, and her light step flying to keep time with his long stride, they walked back through the night to the farm. That's a lot more complex sentence. It's going to take a lot more processing to comprehend the meaning of it. So that sentence would have a much higher Lexile than the simple sentence. You also want to know your abilities as a reader. When you take the SRI, you'll get a Lexile number. This will let you know at what level you can comprehend text 75% of the time. And you'll get a range for text. It'll be from your Lexile minus 100 to plus 50. So for example, here we see this boy's Lexile is at 1240. That means he should be able to comprehend text from 1140 to 1290, or that's his sweet spot. Now we take it the next step, and we can now match text to the reader. So, for example, if this student's Lexile was 540, these are just an example of some of the books that should be in her range and she should be able to comprehend. Finally, we want to be able to measure reading progress. You'll take the SRI several times throughout the school year, and we want to see that level going up as you grow your reading. Ultimately, you want to be in that green area. That's the level that you should be at for your grade level if you are going to be prepared to be successful in college and career. So as Dr. Seuss said, the more that you read, the more things you will know. The more you learn, the more places you will go. I hope that gives you a little bit better understanding of a Lexile. If you have any questions, please come see me and we'll discuss it, and we'll be talking about it a lot more this semester.